Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have Scrapbooking Made Simple haul to share with you. I was able to order 3 of their deals that they had going on. Let me show you, these deals are awesome. I don't remember how much they were, but yeah, let me show you what I got. Okay, the first 2 deals I want to show you has to do with Tim Holtz and Sizzix. So she did have, well, Tim Holtz did release the Halloween dies, and these are dies I did not have since I think I started doing, I think maybe 2-3 years now that I've started buying dies. I think 2-3 years now that I started, give or take. So yeah, so when I saw these I had to have them, and she did have a sale for this. I don't know if the bundle is still available. If it is, if any of these bundles are available, I will link it below. She does the bundles, she has bundles on Mondays and Thursdays. Well, she has them almost several times a week, but Mondays she does have real great bundles. They are like $100. Like, let me give you an example. Like no, it doesn't show. Like $100 down to $19.99. That's the Monday one. And then Thursday she has another one. She does do like classes to show you. She'll show you the products and other ways to use it. So yeah, you should check it out. But let me go ahead and show you what I got. So the first thing I got is this thin lids, and it is the Tim Holtz Witch. So this is one of them, and this one comes with 3 dies. I got that one. The next one I have is a Trick or Treat one, and this also comes with 3 dies. So that's another one I got. And this one was a bundle. The only thing I didn't buy were the 3D embossing folders, which I gotta check to see if she still has those. And then I did get the haunted house, and of course I had to get this cutie patootie pumpkin, and this one is 10 dies, and it is a colorize. So that one. And then this was a bundle, so this was, I think, $99 or $95, I think, down to $19.99. So I got this one also. So the first one here is another Tim Holtz, and it is a Halloween for you get 17 dies. You get all of these. Love, love, love. And then I got the other haunted house. See, I have these, but I think they're smaller. I think they came in smaller when they took them out. So some of these I have, and some of them I don't. So this was another haunted house with 3 dies. Love it. This one came with an embossing folder. I love this. This is great for my mixed media stuff. So I like the grungy look. So there's a texture one. So love it, love it. And then this one also came with the Sizzix tags, which is all of that. So yeah, for $19.99, this right here is way worth it. So that's a great deal. Especially crafting gets really expensive. So hey, we save. Alright, so on another deal that she had, and when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I needed it. This is from Indigo Blue, and this one is she had different stamps, but I got the ones that I really like, and I do like Halloween, so that's why I jumped on it when I saw it. But let me show you the paper pad, and these are new products. So this is a mixed media art papers, which I love mixed media. So let's look at this one. Oh, you can even use the cover, huh? Yeah. That one. See, I like a lot of different styles. I'm not, you can't put me in a box because I love cute. I love the mixed media grungy. I love the vintage. I love gothic. I like the romantic, goth. I like the cutesy. I like kawaii. I love it all. I love it. Depends on what mood I'm in. It depends on what type of style I want to craft. So look at this. Love it. Look at those papers. Love, love, love. Make sure you can see all of that. Love it. With the pink and the green. Yes, please. Love these papers. Now, if this kit is still available, I will put it in the description below. Yeah, love it. Love these papers. So that was a paper pad, and that's from Indigo Blue. So another thing I got was this spider stencil. So I got that one. Spiderweb stencil, should I say. Got that one. Now let's get into the cuties. They're kind of grungy cuties. So this one is the Raven Mad. Look at that. Raven Lunatic. So it does go with some sentiments, and this is rubber. The rubber stamps. I got that one. And then I got this one here. Look at this. Witch Called Wanda. Love it. I saw that. I'm like, oh yeah. I had to get it. I had to get it. And then check this one out. Pumpkin Monster. Yes, please. Love, love, love. And then this one here is like writing. Halloween dictionary page. So it's great for background. Love it. I love this. So yeah, that is my, oh actually, let me show you what I was able to snag. I almost forgot. Alright, this is another bundle that she had. I'll tell you, Stacy has some great deals. So let me show you this bundle. Now this bundle, look at that. Heroes Art Compact Cutter, which is great because it's even smaller than the other one that I have. And this is a bundle. Okay. And it came with some dies, a stamp. Oh, so I got a free gift. Okay, this plus this little bundle here, $29.99. In my community tab, I did post it in there. Yeah, amazing deal. Now she don't have many. Once it's gone, it's gone. All right. So when I missed it the last time, this was $19.99 just for the Hero Arts cutter. So I missed it. I saw it in her sale, but I forgot to go ahead and put it in my cart. I was like, oh, I'll go back later and get it. This time when I saw that she had this again for $29.99, and you get some dies and some little extra in the bundle, I was, yes, please. So I hurry up and posted it in my community tab so I could share with my subscribers and my crafty friends so they know that I got your back when it comes to deals. So yeah, I was able to snag this beauty. Look at that. For $29.99, this alone is a great deal. But it did come with a bundle. So let's look at the bundle. Okay, the first one. Now some of these dies, some of these will come in like handmade. I mean, like they made it, because some of these are already from companies. They are trying to get rid of their they're trying to get rid of their stock of old dies. So she's able to get it, which in turn saves money for us. So hey, I ain't complaining. So the first one here is a wow stamp, and this one has joy and peace. And then this one here is apron with some tongs and a spatula, which I think I might have already. And then this one's here is some foliage and some pine cones, which would be great for, actually it'd be great for Christmas. And then in here's another set of dies. And this one I believe was a Christmas one. Yeah, that's a Christmas one. And you do get the labels, and then you do get what was this word? I don't know what the word is. I'll have to cut it out. But you also get a sentiment. So this right here and the cutter was $29.99. So great, great, great deal. And then also got a free gift, which is DIY paint. And that's actually pretty nice. Let's look at that one. Yeah, I've never used this one before. So yeah, so I got a paint right there too. So yeah, that is my scrapbooking made simple haul. This is several orders. This is 3 different orders, but yes, I tell you, you gotta check out her site. So yeah, make sure you like the video, comment below, hit subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification so you know when I do upload a video, and plus you know when I put stuff in my community tab so you don't miss out on any of these deals. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.